Hello, I am Lokesh Kumar. This is Engineering 980 Professional Communication and Engineering Workplace Practice Assignment 12 Mark Interview. Question 1. Tell us about yourself. I am Lokesh Kumar from India. I have completed my Master of Engineering in Mechanical Engineering in Mechanical stream at University of London, Australia. I have 2 years of working experience as a service engineer at Trivikram Flowtech, a reputed company in India, and I did my bachelor's degree in same mechanical engineering at Dana University, India. And I'm a positive thinking person who would start all the work in a positive way possible. And during my bachelor's degree, I won the first prize in inter-university competition or inter-university CAT model competition. And I also was a member of American Society of Mechanical Engineers and developed and participated RC car racing with my team. During my master's degree, I was a member of motorsport community. I also focused on extracurricular activities during my master's degree, and I also joined the various university clubs to serve the local community and the environment. I also won the award for most active club member in the club. And my strengths are I have a good problem solving skills, and I'm happy to work with the team, and I'm flexible to working environment. And on the negative side, I'm quite straightforward and more demanding on the results. Since I am flexible at workplace, I can relocate whenever it requires and adapt to the new environment quickly. And my hobbies are I used to read novels, and especially I used to read science fiction and fantasy stories are my favorite. I used to go for a trekking occasionally, and I know three languages, which is English, French, and German. And finally, for your kind information, I did my master's thesis in effective water management system, and I believe that my findings might be useful for your water management projects. Question 2. Can you describe a time where you had to work in a diverse team? What challenges did you face and how did you overcome them? Yeah, I do have an working experience with a group of people, and in my yes, indeed in my last workplace we used to work as a team, and it was happened in the fourth month of my tenure, and it was a very early stage in my professional career, and to myself along with my 10 service engineers was assigned to secure a open tender announced by Indian Agricultural Department, and that was a very lucrative project, you lucrative project. And our team includes both the seniors and juniors. Since it is an open tender, many companies are on their way to acquire the work, since it involves more profit in their project if we got, and it also increases their reputation among other companies in our country. Our task is to examine the water pumps in the agricultural land and submit a quiet for maintenance of those pumps. Since it is a government order, our team were working cautiously to avoid any mistakes. Since it was the beginning of my professional career, it was quite a challenging task for me to manage the group with such a variant age levels. Since I was the junior among all the members of the team, so I made mistakes frequently, so I had to overcome that. So what I did was, in order to keep me organized with the team, I asked for the feedback of my daily work from my seniors and keep redressing my mistakes. And this behavior of myself really helped me during that day to avoid my mistakes and overcome the challenge I faced. And eventually I managed to sync with my team's work, and eventually we also won the tender with the group effort. Question 3. Can you please describe a time who you used your technical competence to solve a problem which resulted in a positive or productive outcome? Yes, of course. Finding the solutions to the problems existed and the may arise is the job of an every engineer. I would like to share one of my memorable experience here in this occasion. It was already 1 year past since I joined my last workplace. I was deployed to overhaul the slurry pump in one of the thermal power plants in India. I do not have much experience in working with the slurry pumps as compared to my experience with the water pumps. However, I accept the task since I always I always challenging myself to do the difficult task and keep updating myself. I reached the site as per my order from my superiors and examined the pump which I was supposed to overhaul. And I completely dismantled the pump and analyzed thoroughly. And I examined each and every part of the pump and I found that all the parts are in good condition. So I was wondered, so was the actual problem is. So okay, I want to do the test run. So I assembled all the parts again and did the test run and the pump could not create enough suction pressure to suck the slurries from the boiler. That was the complaint made by the power plant authorities. So I was thinking to examine the pump location. So in order to do that, I will ask for the blueprint of that floor and I compare the blueprint with that pump actual specification. And during my examination, I was found that that pump was misplaced at a location so that it could not create enough suction pressure of it. So with the help of the employees and the employees in the power plants, I used to I placed the pump at the current location. And after I did the test run, it was creating suction pressure which is enough to observe the slurries in that, and that would actually solve the problem. I was given 3 weeks time only to solve the task, and hopefully, and successfully I completed that task in 5 days. Although my little experience in operating slurry pumps, the challenging attempt came successful for me. Do you have any question for us? In the advertisement, it is mentioned as opportunities to transfer to international location available. If you don't mind, may I know what are the possible locations that you may transfer your employees? Thank you.